This project is Bluetooth based password control door locking. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply 16x2 LCD. Bluetooth SG Verify connected to Arduino UART port. Here DC motor controlled by L230 H-bridge IC which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Buzzer connected to Arduino digital pin here. Now power on this. You have to pair Bluetooth initially. It is asking password. Password is 1234. Here we have to use the Bluetooth app which is available in Play Store. App name BT Terminal Lab. Now open the app. Here to open and close door we have two passwords *1234# for door open. *1235# for door close. We should give password in between star and hash. If we give any other passwords then it will show wrong password. For example, *1236#.